So hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is all about shopping and eating. And today I came to visit one outlet called Raj Fashions, and he's an exclusive wholesale dealer in ladies gowns, crop tops and lehengas. And this comes in Chickpet Main Road, and the landmark for this place is Sudarshan Silks. So this is the landmark, you can just check it out, Sudarshan Silks, and right opposite to that is Raj Fashion, and he's an exclusive wholesale dealer in ladies garments and all. And the timing of this shop is morning 9 o'clock till night 9 o'clock, Monday to Sunday, and it's open 7 days a week. And so you have to come like this comes in Chickpet Main Road, and this is outlet, you can just check it out. And the outlet name is Raj Fashion, and he's having amazing outfit for girls. Just check it out, all these beautiful outfits, beautiful wedding wear, party wear, all types of outfits you'll get here. And this is the outlet name, just check it out, Raj Fashion, wholesale dealer in gowns, crop tops, lehengas. And beautiful, he's having massive varieties. And this is outlet, lot of types of collection. This is just few samples he's having, but lot of types of varieties, lot of types of collections he's having. And this guy is also very famous. Lot of people from YouTube, they come here because he's selling amazing items, quality items. So right now I'm introducing you to Vikram. So whenever you come here, you can meet him, and right now he's speaking to you. कुछ बोलिए sir.
सर नमस्कार, मेरा दुकान है मेन रोड पर सुदर्शन सिल्क के अपोजिट। मेरा होलसेल है, क्रॉप टॉप, लहंगा, गाउन, ड्रेस सब मिल जाएगा, शरारा पैटर्न और न्यू कलेक्शन डेली कोरियर अवेलेबल रहता है। आउट ऑफ इंडिया कहाँ भी रहेगा तो भी हम भेज सकते हैं, और होलसेल एकदम चीप रेट में।
ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी है ना आपके पास?
ऑल ओवर इंडिया, मलेशिया, दुबई,
अच्छा
भी।
और आपको YouTube से कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आया सर?
सर बहुत धन्यवाद है यूट्यूब वाले को, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है। हमारा राज फैशन फेमस हो गया है,
अच्छा,
और बहुत क्यों लगती है हमारे कस्टमर की इधर।
या सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल जनरली एंड फ्रॉम YouTube आल्सो दे कम टू हिज आउटलेट। और अभी कुछ आपका सैंपल दिखाइए सर। And just check it out, the collections is having amazing, beautiful collections, beautiful gowns, beautiful lehengas, amazing place for ladies garments and all. And just check it out this. कुछ बोलिए सर।
सर ये रेडी लहंगा है,
अच्छा,
बहुत चीप रेट में है, बहुत ज़बरदस्त पीस है ये,
ब्यूटीफुल।
और बटरफ्लाई स्लीव्स आएगा इसका।
ओके,
ये दुपट्टा ग्रैंड आएगा,
ओके,
विथ हैंड्स,
अमेजिंग,
और हैंड्स अंदर आएगा,
ओके,
और बटरफ्लाई स्लीव्स है ये।
जस्ट चेक इट आउट, अमेजिंग, ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन, ब्यूटीफुल लहंगा, एब्सोल्युटली ग्रैंड एंड क्लासी, एलिगेंट इट लुक्स। एंड आपका होलसेल शॉप है ना सर?
हाँ सर।
ओके,
ओनली 3200 में दे रहे हैं हम, रेडी लहंगा वो भी।
just for 3200 he is giving you, and it looks absolutely stunning. And just check it out this, wow, beautiful, this is amazing. And just check it out, all the design prints, it looks absolutely stunning and absolutely amazing. And just check it out this
peplum top,
all right,
this original lapping brand.
okay. And just check it out this, it looks absolutely stunning. So you can wear for party wear, you can wear for wedding.
4600 only,
And
बहुत
this
cheap रेट में 12465 रुपीस MRP आएगी।
Okay, but the price is 4600.
हाँ, ओनली चीप रेट।
All right, so it's just for 4600, but the label is 12000, but the original price is 4600. Quality is amazing. And just check it out, the collection, lot of collections, lot of varieties.
ये देखो रेडी लहंगा है।
अच्छा, absolutely stunning, so classy and elegant, this looks very nice. And for ladies this place is absolutely heaven
साइज
for
अवेलेबल
shopping.
मिलेगा,
Okay,
XL तक मिलेगा, L XXL।
all right,
2500 होलसेल रेट।
all right. So do come here to Raj Fashion. It comes in the Chickpet Main Road, landmark I told you, Sudarshan Silks. And he's open 7 days a week. Timing is morning 9 till night, evening 9 o'clock. And just check it out this. कुछ बोलिए सर।
देखो सर ये भी रेडी लहंगा है,
ओके,
बहुत जबरदस्त चल रहा है ये। ये नया पैटर्न है, नेटेड का, फुल वेयर भी आएगा, और कैन आएगा अंदर, और 15 लाइनिंग आएगा, और विथ कैन।
ओके। And just check it out, this all is amazing outfit is showing amazing.
बटरफ्लाई स्लीव्स,
Okay,
साइज अवेलेबल है।
okay,
ये स्लीव्स है उसका बटरफ्लाई, और एक्स्ट्रा स्लीव्स चाहिए तो अंदर आएगा लहंगे के अंदर।
hold on. और लहंगा के अलावा और क्या है सर आपके पास?
गाउन मिलेगी सर।
Okay, gown is also there. And so the whatever clothes, whatever everything lehanga I showed was absolutely amazing, classy. I personally loved it, and this place is absolutely amazing. And just check it out this, wow,
ओरिजिनल पीस LJ ब्रांड का है,
stunning.
और दिल्ली ग्लास आएगा अंदर, दिल्ली का मिरर डाला हुआ है।
Okay,
2500 ओनली,
just for 2500. What else you'll get? I thought this is going to be at least 10,000, but amazing, beautiful, this looks absolutely stunning.
और विथ स्लीव्स विथ दुपट्टा।
Okay, with sleeves with dupattas 2500. Wow, just check it out, just for 2500. And the fabric is also very nice place, absolutely amazing. I'll highly recommend you people come once to his outlet, and then you can decide, you can select. But I can just tell you, just come once to his outlet, I'm sure you're going to love his collection. Wow, stunning man, the colors, the fabric, the design, It's absolutely amazing, absolutely
handwriting
superb.
work आएगा।
Wow,
शिवानी ब्रांड का है भी।
superb.
MRP देख लो 15,000 MRP है। फुल लेंस आएगा
Okay.
ओनली 580 रुपीज़ 5,080 रुपीज़।
Just for 5,080 you are getting, wow. This looks absolutely amazing, stunning. This is one of my favorite. Whatever he showed, I personally love this. So beautiful colors, beautiful designs, beautiful pattern, absolutely amazing, gorgeous. This is stunning. This is, and again I'm telling you, once you come here, then you can decide by yourself all the collection. Absolutely amazing, and he's having beautiful collections of lehenga.
जॉर्जेट प्योर
Acha, wow.
विथ हैंड्स आएगा। ओरिजिनल लैपिंग ब्रश साइज अवेलेबल है।
ओके सर, आपको इस बिजनेस में कितना साल हो गया?
सब हम बचपन से ही वही धंधा करते हैं।
ओके, सो फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम ही इज इनटू दिस बिजनेस, फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड ओनली।
सब हम स्कूल जा रहे थे वो टाइम से हमारे पापा बैठ रहे थे।
All right. So you can come and meet him. Very nice guy he is. Nice collections, nice colors, nice design. And so whatever kind of colors you want, whatever kind of varieties, design is massive he's having. And it comes in Chickpet Main Road. And just check it out, this absolutely amazing, class, grand, beautiful wedding wear, beautiful outfit. Wow. Whatever lehengas and all he showed, it was absolutely amazing. Fantastic it was. And just check it out, all these colors, designs, all these prints. It's just looks so amazing.
ये वर्क आएगा सरारा में भी। फ्लोरल अप एंड डाउन में टॉप आएगा।
So basically he has all colors, lot of varieties, multi design, multi varieties of shararas, lehengas. Amazing place for all this thing, beautiful collection, and the best thing is that you are getting for wholesale price. Before I wind up, I just want to tell that this place is absolutely amazing for lehengas, shararas, amazing collections he's having, and I'll highly recommend you people also to come once to his outlet, and I'm sure you're going to love his collection. And I will meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.